The relationship between corals and reef fish is a complex and dynamic interplay of mutual dependence and ecological balance. Coral reefs, often referred to as the rainforests of the sea, host an immense diversity of marine life, including reef fish, which play critical roles in maintaining the health and structure of these ecosystems. Coral reefs provide essential shelter and breeding grounds for thousands of reef fish species. Their intricate structures, formed by hard corals, scleractinia, offer protection from predators and environmental stress. The structural complexity of coral reefs determines the diversity and abundance of fish populations. Fish species often specialize in specific microhabitats, such as branching corals, massive corals, or rubble zones. Coral reefs also offer nurseries for juvenile fish, where they can grow in relative safety before moving to other habitats. Herbivorous fish, e.g., parrotfish, surgeonfish, graze on algae that compete with corals for space and light. Without these grazers, algae can overgrow corals, leading to coral degradation. Corallivorous fish, e.g., butterfly fish, feed directly on coral polyps. While this can stress corals in high densities, moderate grazing can help promote coral diversity by preventing competitive dominance. Detritivores and cleaners, e.g., wrasses, gobies, remove dead tissue, parasites, and debris from corals, promoting their health. Coral bleaching, when corals bleach due to stress, e.g., rising sea temperatures, ocean acidification, their structural complexity and habitat value decrease, leading to declines in fish abundance and diversity. Disease and mortality, loss of coral cover due to disease, overfishing, or pollution can disrupt the ecological balance, reducing fish populations dependent on coral habitats. Fish species most affected include, obligate coral dwellers like clownfish, which depend on specific coral hosts such as anemones, and damselfish and specialized corallivores, which rely exclusively on live coral for food. Reef fish contribute to nutrient cycling on coral reefs. For example, fish excretions provide bioavailable nitrogen and phosphorus, which can enhance coral growth. Diverse reef fish communities help reefs recover from disturbances. For instance, herbivorous fish control algal growth after bleaching events, allowing corals to recolonize. Several threats challenge the stability of this relationship. Rising sea temperatures lead to coral bleaching and habitat degradation, diminishing fish populations. Removal of herbivorous or predatory fish can disrupt ecological balance, allowing algae overgrowth or prey species overpopulation. Sedimentation and chemical runoff reduce water quality, harming both corals and fish. Changes in seawater chemistry weaken coral skeletons and impair reef-building processes, indirectly affecting fish. Efforts to protect and restore coral-fish relationships include marine protected areas, MPAs. These safeguard coral reefs from overfishing and destructive practices. Coral restoration projects, efforts like coral gardening and artificial reefs aim to restore degraded coral habitats. Herbivore protection, policies to protect herbivorous fish, such as parrotfish, are critical for controlling algae and aiding reef recovery. Global climate action, addressing climate change is essential to mitigate coral bleaching and maintain healthy coral fish ecosystems. If you like this content, make sure to subscribe to the channel and never miss out on interesting ocean facts. Also, don't forget to hit thumbs up.